Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Avner, and today we're going to be talking about how to print a specific term in the Fibonacci series. If you didn't watch my first part of the Fibonacci series, you can go watch it. I just uploaded it. So, how do we print a specific term of the Fibonacci series? Like when I write 5, it's supposed to print 3. When I write 10, it's supposed to print 34. Like that. There's some symbol changes we have to do here. This video might end quick too, just to tell you guys. Okay? So what we need to do is comment N1 and N2 because we want to print specific term, so we don't want to include 0 or 1. So we don't want to include N2. I mean N1 or N2. Okay? Now, if we print N3, it's printing every single term up to 5, up to the 5th. But we want to print a specific term, so we print it out of the loop. Exactly there. Now let's run it. This video was completely short to me. So let's write 5. What it's going to write is 3. See? If I say yes, we can go again. If I write 10, it'll write 34. Okay? If I say yes, let's write a bigger number. For example, 20. Oh, so let's say 1,000. Oh, sorry. My bad. Yes. Let's go for this big number. I think it just stopped. Yeah. Let's run it again. It's because of its lag. Yeah, oh, sorry. Yes. 10 is going to be 34. All you guys all know that. Let's say no. Sorry. No breaks. Okay. That was pretty short. Yeah, that was a really short video. This is probably my shortest video, and the shortest video you guys have ever watched. I hope you liked this video, and bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.